Let's get straight to the point. You're busy, and finding time to eat healthy probably feels impossible. But what if I told you there's a simple way to prepare a nutritious meal in just 10 minutes? Today, I'm going to show you the exact meal hack busy people are using to stay healthy without spending hours in the kitchen. No need for fancy recipes or complex cooking techniques. This is about fast, effective solutions that anyone can use, no matter how packed your schedule is. Imagine this. You come home after a long day, and instead of reaching for something unhealthy or ordering takeout, you can throw together a meal that's both delicious and good for you in under 10 minutes. It's all about planning smarter, not harder. With a few key ingredients and some simple prep, you can make sure your meals are quick, nutritious, and ready when you are. The secret? It's all about using ingredients that are versatile, easy to prepare, and packed with nutrients. Things like pre-cooked quinoa, grilled chicken, or even a handful of fresh veggies can turn into a full meal with minimal effort. I'll walk you through how to set up your kitchen so that when you're short on time, healthy eating is still on the menu. This hack isn't just for saving time, it's for taking control of your nutrition, even when life gets busy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare healthy meals faster than you ever thought possible, and you'll never feel overwhelmed by cooking again. Let's dive into the details and get you eating better, starting now. To create fast and healthy meals, there are 3 key principles you need to follow: preparation, versatility, and smart use of ingredients. These principles will help you avoid the stress of trying to figure out what to eat when time is tight and ensure you always have a healthy option ready to go. The first principle is preparation. Setting aside a small amount of time once or twice a week to prepare certain ingredients can save you hours during your busiest days. You can batch cook items like quinoa, rice, or grilled chicken in advance and store them in the fridge. That way, when it's time to eat, you already have the building blocks of a healthy meal at your fingertips. Pre-washing and cutting your vegetables also makes it easier to assemble a quick salad, stir-fry, or wrap. Next is versatility. Focus on ingredients that can be used in a variety of meals. Think of foods like chicken, tofu, or beans that can be added to salads, grain bowls, or wraps without much thought. Grains like quinoa or brown rice are also great bases that can be paired with almost anything. By choosing ingredients that are versatile, you'll avoid getting bored with the same meals while still sticking to your routine of quick, healthy eating. Finally, the smart use of ingredients means selecting items that are nutrient-dense and require little to no cooking. Fresh vegetables like spinach, arugula, and cherry tomatoes can be eaten raw and add a lot of nutrients to your meals without extra prep time. Keep healthy condiments like olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and hummus on hand to boost flavor without sacrificing nutrition. You don't need complicated sauces or side dishes, just a few good ingredients that are ready to go. By following these 3 principles, you can make healthy meals a part of your daily routine, no matter how packed your schedule is. It's all about simplifying the process so that healthy eating becomes a habit, not a hassle.
For more information on diets and how they can help you lose weight, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to learn about the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to achieve the body you've always desired.
Let's dive into the practical part by walking through 3 quick, healthy meals you can prepare in under 10 minutes. These are meals that rely on simple, pre-prepped ingredients and minimal cooking time, making them perfect for busy days. Meal 1. Quinoa and chicken salad. For this first meal, you'll need pre-cooked quinoa and some grilled chicken. If you've prepared these in advance, all you have to do is assemble. Start by adding a cup of quinoa to a bowl. Then, slice your grilled chicken into bite-sized pieces and toss them in. Next, add fresh veggies like cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and some baby spinach. Drizzle with olive oil and a splash of lemon juice for a refreshing dressing. You've just made a protein-packed meal with fiber and nutrients, and it took less than 10 minutes. The beauty of this salad is in its flexibility. You can swap out the chicken for tofu or even canned tuna if you want to keep things interesting throughout the week. This meal is light but filling, giving you the energy you need to power through a busy day without weighing you down. Meal 2. Veggie and hummus wrap. The second meal is a great option for those who prefer something plant-based. Grab a whole wheat tortilla or wrap, spread a couple of tablespoons of hummus across the surface, and start layering in your vegetables. Pre-cut veggies like bell peppers, shredded carrots, and baby spinach work perfectly here. Add some sliced avocado for healthy fats, and you've got a balanced meal. You can roll this up in just a couple of minutes, and it's great to take on the go. The hummus provides protein and fiber, while the veggies offer a range of vitamins and minerals. If you want to add a bit more protein, feel free to toss in some black beans or chickpeas. This meal is simple, satisfying, and incredibly versatile. Meal 3. Spinach and avocado omelet. For the third meal, let's go with a quick protein-packed option, an omelet. Start by whisking 2 eggs in a bowl, then pour them into a hot, lightly oiled pan. While the eggs cook, add a handful of fresh spinach leaves directly into the pan. Spinach wilts quickly, so you won't need to wait long. Once the omelet begins to set, slice half an avocado and place the pieces on one side of the omelet. Fold the omelet in half, let it cook for another minute, and it's done. This omelet is a great breakfast or lunch option, filled with healthy fats and protein to keep you full and energized. It's also incredibly quick to make, using ingredients you likely already have at home. If you want to switch it up, you can add in other ingredients like mushrooms or a bit of shredded cheese. By incorporating these 3 meals into your routine, you'll have a variety of quick, healthy options that take minimal time and effort to prepare. These are just examples of how easy it can be to eat well, even when you're short on time.
If these tips were helpful, click like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.
One of the best things about these quick meals is how easy they are to customize. You can take the base recipes and make small changes to fit your taste preferences, dietary needs, or whatever ingredients you have on hand. This flexibility means you'll never get bored, and you can keep your meals interesting without adding extra time to your routine. For example, if you're not a fan of quinoa, you can swap it out for brown rice, couscous, or even a leafy green base like arugula or kale. The same goes for proteins. Chicken can be replaced with tofu, tempeh, or even boiled eggs depending on your diet. If you prefer a plant-based option, adding beans or lentils can give your meal a protein boost while still keeping it simple. Seasonings and sauces are another area where you can really make these meals your own. A basic olive oil and lemon dressing works for almost any salad, but if you want to mix things up, try adding a dash of balsamic vinegar, a sprinkle of paprika, or a spoonful of pesto. These small tweaks can elevate your meals and keep them from feeling repetitive while still being quick to prepare. By personalizing your meals, you not only keep things fresh, but also make sure you're eating foods that you genuinely enjoy. This keeps you motivated to stick with healthy eating, even when life gets hectic.
For more information on diets, scan the QR code on the screen or click the first pinned comment to access the top 50 best diets for weight loss, a complete guide to lose weight fast.
To make your meal prep even faster, here are a few additional tips that can save you time during the week. First, take advantage of batch cooking. Choose a day, like Sunday, to prepare large quantities of staples like grains, proteins, and roasted vegetables. Store them in the fridge, so all you need to do during the week is assemble the ingredients into a meal. This cuts down on daily cooking time and makes it easy to throw together something nutritious. Next, invest in kitchen tools that help speed up the process. A good quality chef's knife makes chopping faster and easier, while a food processor can quickly slice or shred vegetables. Using a slow cooker or an instant pot can also be a game changer for preparing meals in bulk without much hands-on time. Lastly, consider freezing pre-cooked ingredients like rice, quinoa, or soup in individual portions. This way, when you're pressed for time, you can simply defrost and reheat them, cutting your meal prep time even further. With these tips, you'll not only save time in the kitchen, but also make it easier to maintain a healthy eating routine throughout the week.
Have you used this method to lose weight? Did you get results? Tell us in the comments.
Using this 10-minute meal method every day brings several important benefits. First, it helps you stay consistent with healthy eating. When meals are quick and easy to prepare, you're far less likely to reach for unhealthy takeout or processed snacks. This consistency not only supports better nutrition, but also helps you maintain energy levels and feel more balanced throughout the day. Another key benefit is saving time. By following this approach, you eliminate the stress of deciding what to eat last minute and avoid spending hours in the kitchen. Over time, these small time savings add up, giving you more freedom to focus on other important areas of your life, like work, family, or personal hobbies. Finally, this method helps you take control of your health. Knowing exactly what goes into your meals allows you to make informed choices and ensure you're eating balanced, nutritious food. Over time, this can lead to better weight management, improved digestion, and even stronger immunity. By making these quick, healthy meals a part of your daily routine, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and well-being. Now that you know how easy it is to prepare healthy meals in just 10 minutes, there's no excuse to fall back on unhealthy options. This method allows you to take control of your nutrition, even on your busiest days, and it's something you can start using today. Just a little bit of planning and the right ingredients can completely transform the way you eat, making healthy meals a daily habit instead of a challenge.
Below in the description and at the end screen, there's a playlist with multiple videos where I talk about diets and powerful weight loss techniques. Check it out.
If you found these tips helpful, give them a try this week and see the difference it makes. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you, or if you have any other time-saving meal hacks to share. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and healthy meal ideas, and share it with someone who could benefit from faster, healthier eating.